Hi everyone. In today's class, I will explain you about type conversions in Java programming. What is type conversion? To convert a data from one data type to another data type is called as the type conversion. Then when it is required, whenever you perform any operation which contain the different data types, the data type of the result is the largest data type in the expression. For example, see here, the expression is consist of int plus float. Then what will be the result? The result will be a float value. For example, here if you give 2 plus, for example, 2 plus 3.5, then it is an integer. This is called as a float. Then what is the result? That is called 4.5 is the result. Because if expression contains the different data types, the result is the larger data type in the expression. Then like that, you can see the second example. For example, 4 plus then long value, for example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, here 3.5 something, 167. Then here the result will be a, what is called double. There is int, then long, then double. Which one is the largest size data type is only double. Okay, got my point? Then I will show you the example also. Then when you assign a value, one data type to another, when you perform operation and two operands, the data type must be compatible. If they are incompatible data types, we need to do the conversion explicitly. Here, Java provides there are two types of the conversion. One is called implicit type conversion. Another one is called explicit type conversion. Then what is implicit type conversion? When a value of data type with smaller range is assigned to a variable of a compatible data type with a larger range. Generally, the implicit type conversion is done by the compiler, which is also called as the automatic type conversion. The user or developer can't involve in this process. Here, when two variables of different data types are involved in expression, the value of the smaller range data type is converted into the value of larger range data type and then the operation is performed. For example, here this is automatic type conversion. This is the integer. The value is assigned with 10. Then another variable new discount percentage equal discount percentage because it is integer. This is called as a double. Then integer is converted to the double. Then the value is 10.0. It is called as automatic type conversion. Then I will show you the diagram. See here how the implicit conversion is done by the compiler. You show the diagram. Here, for example, byte is assigned to the short. It is automatic. Short is assigned to the integer. Okay, it is automatic. Then carry is also converted to the integer. The integer is also converted to the what? Double. Sorry, long. The long is converted to the float. The float is converted to the double. Okay, this is the way the conversion has to be done by the compiler. This is called as automatic type conversion, which is also called as implicit type conversion. See, what is explicit type conversion? Okay, the explicit type conversion is done by the developer or user. In this process, the compiler can't do anything. It is not a automatic type conversion. Here, you can see the definition. If you assign a value larger data type, this is called a larger data type to a smaller data type, we perform explicit typecasting. Clear? Smaller to larger, it is automatic type conversion. When larger data type to smaller data type, which is called as explicit typecasting. Okay, this is useful in compatible data types. See here, this is the word you can see. Incompatible data types where automatic type conversion can't be done. In this process, we do the explicit type conversion. See the example. This is called as integer data type. This is called a double. Here you will see the expression, the double price after discount equal total price, they multiplied with 1 minus discount percentage divided by 100. Here, if you display this value, which shows wrong. Why? Because here, this expression, see the expression, this is the integer, because this discount is an integer, the 100 is also called as integer. The integer by integer, the result will be an integer. Okay, it will lose the fractional part. Then what we have to do? Any one of the variable operand, any one of the operand has to be converted into the double. At that time, it will the result will be the correct. Then see the next slide. See here what happens. Here any one of the data type has been converted into the integer. Otherwise, it shows it lost the fractional part. The theory has been given. You can read out this theory, then you can easily understand. Then here what I did, the discount percentage has been converted to the double. This is called an explicit type conversion. I will show you with help of the example. I do the compilation once again. I will go for run. Then what it shows, the current has paid, customer has paid a bill of amount 200, but it is not correct because which means that some of the fractional part value has been lost. Then any one of the operand has to be converted into the double, then which will shows the correct result. Then double here because discount percentage is integer which has been converted into the double. If any one of the operand is double, the result will be double. Then I will save it once. Then I will do the compilation once again. See, this is the correct output. What we got previously, then we got the answer is 200. This is the biggest mistake. Then we do the when we did explicit type conversion, we got the output is 180. Okay, this is the correct answer. Then in such cases, we will use the explicit type conversion. Then if you want, I'll give another example. For example, here the int. Suppose I would like to give the float to some variable name 1 equal then 1 to 0.3, then float value is represented as f. Then I would like to convert it into the integer, then int, for example, result equal 1. Then what is happening? It is not automatic type conversion. It is showing error. Then can't convert from float to int. Then what we will do? Then we do the explicit type conversion. Then int. Then error has gone. This is the way we can perform the explicit type conversion. If you have any doubt regarding this type conversion concept in Java, please ask me at any time through the comment box. Thank you. Thank you all for watching my videos.